If your to-do list look like this, you're making a massive mistake. So you already know everything about the power of to-do lists, how they help you set smart goals, how they help you set priorities, and how they boost your productivity. You have your to-do list all set up, but still things are not working. You are still overwhelmed by the long list of tasks that you need to do. This is what you're doing wrong. So if your to-do list looks something like what I have shown in the beginning of the video, this is not a to-do list. It is a brain dump. And a brain dump is a great start, but it's not the end result. It's not a to-do list that will help you be productive and efficient. How can you make a to-do list that actually works for you? Let's dive deep. So to create an efficient to-do list, start with the brain dump. Start with jotting down all your tasks, everything that you can imagine from your private and your work life. Make sure that you have everything listed in one place. Then it's time to implement some category magic. What you need to do is to assign each of these tasks a category. Group these tasks into categories such as urgent, important, project, routine, must do, or whatever works for you, right? Just make sure that you know what the categories are. Now it's time for priority flagging. Make sure that you assign a priority to each of the tasks that you have within your categories. You can use numbers such as priority number 1, 2, 3, or you can be more creative, such as must do today or can wait until summer. And there you have it. Once you compile all the number 1 priorities, you have your urgent to-do list for today. You can add important things and you have the tasks that you can do today if you have time. And then, of course, you have a pile of tasks that can wait until summer. Now it's time for the next step. Use tools. You can use digital apps, there's tons of them available. Or if you're more of a paper person, you can also print out your to-do list and make sure that you have it at your hand all the time. I'm actually posting a link to a to-do list in BrainDump example in the video description below. So make sure you use it if you don't already have your preferred app which you love to use. Finally, review your priorities regularly. This is important so that you stay up to date with what is priority number 1, what is the urgent category, and what maybe is not anymore. Okay, so let's wrap it up. First, do a brain dump, and you can use an example that I've posted in the video description below. After you have all your tasks listed, assign categories to each of the tasks. Make priorities within each categories. This will help you focus and make sure that you are always on top of the most important and urgent things. Finally, help yourself with tools and don't forget to review, to reassess regularly your to-do list. Now for the flop of the week. This was my flop of last week, actually. So I do to-do lists all the time. I actually use Trello boards, and somehow I was able to create 2 different accounts in Trello, and I was posting in my tasks what I need to do, and I was scheduling them before I went to bed. And then in the morning when I opened up Trello, I saw that I was basically working all the cards in the wrong board. So yeah, I had to copy paste. It took me some time. Everything is possible to do, of course, with Trello. It's a very user-friendly application, but still it took me some time in order to copy and paste everything to the right account and to the right board. And then I needed to rearrange things because I have different steps within each of the boards. And yeah, I was quite frustrated, I have to say. And this did not end up on my to-do list. So this is something that I was just pushing under the table. I needed to do it. I did it. It's fine now, but let's forget about it. So yeah, this was my last week flop. I hope it doesn't happen to you. Anyway, I hope that this video was valuable to you. Let me know in the comments what are the winning strategies regarding to-do lists for you. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and of course subscribe to see more of me. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and get successful. I'm cheering for you. Bye bye.